Hi guys, it's Sven from Speck Products here. I'm the lead trainer for the EMEA region, and today we're taking a look at a really cool product bundle. This is a Gemshell phone case with a glass screen protector. So what's in the box? First up, you've got your Gemshell phone case. Take a look at that in more details in just a moment. Then you've got this card container which has all the glass screen protector accessories. So in that envelope, first up, you've got this really nice padded foam little pouch which actually has the glass screen protector. You can see how that's got that like adhesive tab. So that's what you're going to peel off to fix that onto the screen of your device. Then on top of that, you've got your screen protector accessories pouch in yellow. And in your screen protector accessories pouch, you've got your dust absorber to help you prepare your screen. Then you've got your alcohol wipe just to eliminate any oils or anything like that from your screen to give you really good adhesion. And last up, you've got your cleaning cloth just to keep everything nice and dry and clean before you apply the screen protector. So that is what is in the box. And we're going to take a look at all those items in more details in just a moment. Okay, so let's take a look at that Gemshell case in more detail. First of all, it comes with this protective film in the box. So you just want to remove that straight away. And there you have your Gemshell smartphone case. So that is a transparent slim case designed with a dual layer perimeter. That's going to give you an 8-foot drop rating. It's made from scratch resistant anti-yellowing materials. It has Microban antimicrobial product protection built in. That is going to give you a 99% reduction in the growth of bacteria on your device. Let's put a device in there right now. I like to start with the volume side, press that in, press down on the opposite corners, and that was super easy to install. It's slim enough to allow for wireless charging. You do have that sort of 360-degree raised bezel, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. That is the Gemshell smartphone case from Speck. Take a look at the screen protector in just a moment. Okay, so let's get that glass screen protector fitted on to our device. So I'm going to need a few different pieces here. So obviously I need the screen protector itself. I need my dust absorber, I need my alcohol prep wipe, and I need my cleaning cloth. And obviously I need my device as well. So first off, what I'm going to do is take the dust absorber. I'm just going to pass that over the screen and remove as much dust as I can. Okay, done. Next up, I take my alcohol prep wipe, just wipe the screen. That's going to help to remove any sort of residues, any oils that might have been left behind from my fingertips. Done. Next, I take my cleaning cloth. I'm just going to dry it off. So I've got a nice dust-free, oil-free, clean, dry surface to start with. Okay, done. So then what I'm going to do is take my glass screen protector. You can see this is going to be where the top of your device is. The adhesive comes off. So when you peel off that adhesive backing, that's the side you want to stick onto your screen. Okay, so peel that off, line it up, making sure that the cutout isn't obstructing anything, making sure it's as central as I can. And then when I'm happy with the position, I can just let that fall. Swipe across the middle. And that is my glass screen protector installed. Okay, and there you have it. That is the finished thing. That is my Gemshell smartphone case installed with my glass screen protector installed. Really cool product. Nice that you get everything in one box. So I've got my Gemshell smartphone case, and I've got my glass screen protector, which comes with all the required accessories to help me install that quickly and easily. There you have it. That is the Gemshell with glass screen protector bundle. Check it out on our website, speckproducts.com, and I'll see you again soon for another product video. Take care. Bye.